So I'm done with the driving lesson, and after the driving lesson was over, the sun came out. And I met my buddy, Lauritz. Hello.
Hi guys.
Gays. Hey gays. Yeah, so I'm on the way to the studio now. I bought some chorizo, and we're gonna make an omelette. Follow me!
How dare you not bring coffee? You did.
It's chorizo.
Why chorizo?
Because we're making omelettes. One sausage per omelette is more than enough. Good. Carefully flip it over. There we go. Okay, let's go feed the camera guy. How's it?
Approved.
Approved?
Approved.
Good enough. Back in the studio. Driving lessons are at 10 in the morning and then at 6 p.m. So during the day I'm just gonna hang out here. It started raining again. It started raining the whole day. There was some sunny parts, but now it's raining again. Check it out. Danny, if I die, you can have everything.
Don't die.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining pretty hard. It's kind of a deal buster. If we do a video like we did yesterday, we couldn't have done it because of the rain. So now we're gonna stay inside and find some activity to do inside. I suggest Counter-Strike maybe? So I'm kind of fed up with sitting around in the studio. I was just playing Counter-Strike. Got a couple of interesting calls, and I'll talk about that later. But Daniel and I were a little hungry, and we're gonna get pizza by the slice. It's right next door. Pizza?
I haven't eaten pizza in so long. I don't know how I've lived this
long
without it.
We used to eat pizza every day and pasta in London when we lived together, but now different circumstances. Let's go. It's mid-October. It's freezing. And Daniel's wearing shorts. Cross the street, quick, quick, quick. Cross the street, cross the street. The pizza place is over there. There he is, there he is. Let's go. Let's go pizza.
Very good pizza.
Go pizza. Okay, done at the studio, done with pizza. I'm on the way to driving lessons, which is gonna be incredibly boring. Have to shut down the camera and I'll tell you when it's done, and then we can meet afterwards.
You broke the door.
Did I just walk past and break that?
Yeah, you just broke that.
Damn it. What are you doing? Oh, sorry, dude. I did not break this just now, did I? Oh, that sucks. Finally back in the studio. Happy about it. We're having some noodles. These are called bak mi goreng. Bak mi goreng is delicious. By the way, you've seen Daniel so many times in this vlog now. You should check out his music channel. It will be in the description. This time I'll really put it because he'll probably remind me. We're gonna eat now. Okay, end of this vlog as well. I hope you enjoyed it. Guess where I'm starting the vlog tomorrow? Driving school, yay! I hope you're not suffering as much as I am by watching this vlog. Watching me go to driving school, it's really boring. I can't even catch up. Like, I don't understand anything they're saying there. By the way, I said I'm gonna talk to you about an important call I got. You'll see it on Friday's vlog. I'm meeting someone kind of influential. You're gonna see her on Friday if she allows to be on camera. But I hope you tune in tomorrow. Watch the previous episodes. Watch whatever. Good night, guys.